Hey, what is up everybody, my name is Shahrir and today I'm gonna be showing you how to get free Adobe Premiere Pro text templates, those really cool text animation for free. So let's get started. So open up your favorite browser and go to motionarray.com. After going to motionarray.com, the link will be in the description. If you're too lazy to type, you're gonna click on join free. Then click on the left one for free. You can even choose the Lite Plus or Pro, it's your wish, but I'm gonna choose the free plan. And give your contact email. I'm gonna give it Ahmed Shahrir 7402@gmail.com. First name is Ahmed and last name is Shahrir. Password, that would be create account. Okay, after that you're gonna go to browse, you can go to free items, and yeah, here are some of the things for free. Thank you guys, that was all from me in this video. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if it helps you, and stay tuned for more of this kind of videos. My name is Shahrir for the Tech Enthusiast, and I'm signing out. Peace.